Hazrat Maimuna Razillahu Ta'ala anha was the maternal aunt of Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas Razillahu Ta'ala anha. How many hadiths are narrated by Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar Razillahu Ta'ala anha? 2630. Sunan an-Nasai is also known as Sunan al-Sughra. What is the year of death of Sulman bin Ashad? 275 AH. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas Razillahu Ta'ala anha was Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's paternal cousin. Ghulam Rasul Saidi has edited Sahifa al-Sadiqa. True. What is the approximate number of traditions in Sahih Muslim? 7428. What is the approximate total number of traditions in Sunan an-Nasai? 5774. The Hadith collection titled Sahifa al-Sadiqa was compiled by Abdullah ibn Amr. The Hadith collection compiled by Humam ibn Munabba is known as Sahifa Humam ibn Munabba. How many Gospels are included in the New Testament of Bible? 4. Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was sent to the people of Jurham. True. Tafsir Mafate al-Ghaib was authored by Fakhruddin Razi. The literal meaning of Som is to stop. Who among the following prominent companions was known for teaching tafsir to the people in Medina after the demise of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b. Dash involves wearing ihram solely with the intention of Hajj. Hajj ifrat. इस तरह के और एमसीक्यूज भी आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं कि किस टाइप ऑफ हज में एहराम जो है वो उम्रा के लिए बांधा जाता है, फिर एहराम को उतार दिया जाता है जब उम्रा मुकम्मल हो जाता है और फिर एहराम को दोबारा हज के लिए बांधा जाता है, या फिर ऐसा हज कौन सा होता है जिसमें हज और उम्रा दोनों एक सेम एहराम के साथ अदा किए जाते हैं. John is a sacred text included in which part of Bible? New Testament. What percentage of Usher is applicable for land irrigated by tube wells or canals? 5%. The term Tawheed is derived from Arabic word Wahad that means oneness. The literal meaning of namaz, the Persian word for salat or prayer, is often associated with to go. The word zakat is derived from the Arabic word zakah, which means to flourish, to grow, to be cleansed, or to be more. Zakat was made obligatory in which Hijri year, and when was it fully implemented across the Muslim community? It was made obligatory in 2nd Hijri and it was fully implemented in 9th Hijri. The zakat applicable on fruits and vegetables is called ushur. Ushur literally means 1/10. In how many places are namaz and zakat mentioned together in the Holy Quran? 82. The word roza is derived from which language? Persian. On which date in Hijri year was roza made obligatory? 10th of Shaban in 2 Hijri. On the 10th of Zilhajj during Hajj, which of the following rituals are typically performed in Mina? Sacrifice, head shaving, and untying of ihram. Wakufe Muzdalifa refers to the night spent by pilgrims between the 9th and 10th of Zilhajj at Muzdalifa. The ritual of Sa'i between Safa and Marwa during Hajj and Umrah is the sunnah of Hazrat Hajra Razillahu Ta'ala anha. Tawaf al-Ifada is also known as Tawaf al-Ziyara, is performed during Hajj and is considered farz. The word Quran is derived from the Arabic word kira that conveys meanings such as to read, recite, and also to gather and collect. Allama Jalaluddin Suyuti in his famous work Al-Itqan fi Ulum al-Quran mentions a specific number of attributes of Quran. What is this number? 55. इस एमसीक्यू को आपसे ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि अलामा जलालुद्दीन ने अपनी किस फेमस बुक में 55 एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ कुरान मजीद मेंशन किए थे. The literal meaning of ayah is a sign, symbol, or a miracle. The total number of verses in the Holy Quran is 6,236. The literal meaning of surah is elevation and exaltation. Who proposed the compilation of Holy Quran and who was assigned the task during the caliphate of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu proposed and Hazrat Zaid ibn Sabir was assigned. The four-member committee tasked with the standardization and collection of the Holy Quran during the caliphate of Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu included Hazrat Zaid bin Sabir, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair, Hazrat Sayyid bin Al-As, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Haris. In which dialect was it primarily compiled and how many identical copies were prepared and sent to major Islamic centers like Makkah, Syria and Kufa? Qurayshi dialect and 7 copies. The responsibility of adding diacritics to the Quranic text was primarily given to whom during the Umayyad period to ensure correct recitation? Abu al-Aswad al-Duwali,